Okay, today I'm going to be doing this gummy candy lab that I got from my mom's friend. I just want to say thank you, and I'm really excited to try it out. And I'm going to see what it looks like. It's like gummies that looks like spiders and worms. So I'm going to try it out. So first, we're going to open it. Okay, so first we have our gummy candy mold that has spiders and worms. Then we have the directions. These plastic bags that I don't know what they're for yet.
I think they're to put the candies in when you're done with them.
Here's some stickers. And here is all the ingredients. So, alright, now let's open our directions. Hi, gummy scientists. Want to make yummy gummy candy treats that look like worms and spiders and learn some physical science while you're at it. Let's get started.
Okay, so give me the book, I'll give you the directions.
Alright, what's the first thing?
So it says, you will need a seaweed powder packet. Which one says seaweed powder?
This one's sour mixture and this one's seaweed powder.
Okay, so you need the seaweed powder.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll need the seaweed powder. We'll need a flavored packet, so you could either pick, the purple one is mixed berries, and the green one is green apple.
Green apple.
Okay. The plastic gummy mold.
Mm-hmm.
The sour mixture, if you want to do sour. Do you want to do sour?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the sour one. Mm-hmm. And plastic, so okay, you don't need that. Stickers, that's for after. Water, okay. So, in the bowl, first put the 1/2 cup of water.
Oh God. All of it?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Then open the seaweed powder.
1. 2. 3.
Okay, then mix it up with a spoon.
Mix.
Mm-hmm.
That looks weird.
It's making gelatin.
Ooh, gelatin.
Okay, so you're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then we're going to watch it and see if it foams up. When it foams up, we have to stop it right away.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Alright, so I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then it started foaming up, and then we took it out. And now it looks foamy.
Mm-hmm.
And it's hot.
Now you're going to put the flavor that you want in it.
This one?
Mm-hmm. The whole packet.
The whole packet?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, but then isn't that going to waste it?
Then we'll make all the whole packet.
Oh, okay. Well, what about the purple?
Then mix it up. We'll make that a different time. That's why we only used half of that other stuff.
Oh, okay.
Gotta mix it. Mix it, or it's gonna get all clumpy.
Whoa. OMG, we're making gelatin. And?
Just push start and then start. Okay, so now it says, pour the mixture into the mold in the plastic with the spoon. If the mixture becomes too solid, heat it up again. Okay, so you gotta do it before it cools.
Oh, okay.
But you can pick up the plate and then kind of pour it.
Wonder what it's gonna taste like if it's cold.
Okay, so you're gonna put it in the fridge for 10 minutes.
Alright, so we put them in the fridge for 10 minutes. And now we are going to take them out of the mold and put them on this plate. Ooh, spiders and worms attacking our house.
Okay, so then we have to let them
Sit for a few hours. How many hours exact? I have no idea.
probably like 3.
3. We are going to let them sit for 3 hours, and then we could taste them. So it's been 3 hours or a couple hours, and now I'm going to grab the bags, put them in the bags, label them, and then maybe I'll taste them. So put it like this.
Wait, are you gonna put the sour stuff in?
Oh, I gotta put the sour stuff in. Alright, so I'm gonna put sour stuff in that will make it taste sour. Eat. So cut a tip and sprinkle a little. Tell me when to stop. Alright. Now we're just mixing it all. Alright. That looks yummy. No.
Let me see what the worm looks like. Okay.
The wormy.
Look, take one out
Alright.
so I can see what it looks with the sour stuff on it.
Whoa. Looks like there's a lot of snow on this worm. Alright, now it's done. Let's take out a spider. Ew, it looks nasty. I'm gonna taste it. They're good.
What does it taste like?
They're apple, soury. They're good. So I really like these. They taste good, and it was really fun doing them. And I just think they're fun. So thank you for my mom's friends, cause thank you for the early Christmas present, and I love the gummy lab that you gave me because it was really fun. So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.